If you want to automate your dropshipping business, connecting DSers to your Shopify store is the first step. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect DSers to Shopify step by step. By the end of this tutorial, your store will be ready to import products and manage orders. First, go to the DSers website and click on Sign Up. You can create an account using your email or choose to sign up directly with Shopify. Next, once you're on the DSers homepage, click on Install App or Connect Store. This will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. Now, log into your Shopify account if you're not already logged in. You'll see the DSers app page. Click on Add App and then confirm by clicking Install App. After installation, you'll be redirected back to DSers. Here, you'll need to select your plan. DSers offers a free plan, which is great for beginners, so you can start with that. Next, DSers will automatically connect to your Shopify store. You'll be taken to your DSers dashboard where your store is now linked. Now, it's important to connect DSers with AliExpress. In the dashboard, click on Authorize AliExpress account and log in to your AliExpress account. This step allows you to import products and fulfill orders. Once everything is connected, you can start using DSers to import products from AliExpress directly into your Shopify store and manage your orders efficiently. Take a few minutes to explore the dashboard so you understand where everything is located. In this tutorial, we learned how to connect DSers to Shopify by installing the app, linking your store, and authorizing AliExpress. This setup is essential for running a smooth dropshipping business. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.